I remember when for the first time I hit the gym, my life has changed and taken a new phase. I was 17-year-old. I was a chubby boy. I was not a smart kid, but the exercise and the healthy lifestyle has changed my life. Friends, you're not gonna believe the impact of the workouts and the healthy lifestyle which I have come to know about in later on in my years, or currently from past 3 years I am gaining more knowledge about the health and fitness, but I was unaware that how the fit lifestyle and the workouts in my life were playing a vital role in my success. Today, I'll give you the three psychological benefits of the healthy lifestyle which you can also have. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their fat. Friends, you're not gonna believe that how the impact of workout happens on our mind, that within a second, within a half an hour, or within a 15 minute of good workout, your mind gets the blood and gets the chemical known as dopamine, which automatically gives us happiness. Imagine for a moment that you are in a sad atmosphere and suddenly dopamine enters into your mind and you smile. This is what happens when we complete a workout after a good passion. It is us who are doing workout in a wrong way and pushing so hard to lose the fat or lose the body weight, but it is not the right way to do the workouts. It is a skill which one need to learn, that how to do the workouts and how to do the diet first place. But before this, you need to know that why you should start workout regime on the first place. The psychological impact are really amazing. So as I mentioned that the three psychological benefits which you can have, the number one benefit, that you will get a marvelous sleep every day. Many times I have heard people that they are not getting good sleep, they are not getting proper sleep, and they used to remember the way they used to sleep when they were child. But once you're going to do the workout, I guarantee you that you are going to sleep like a baby. Just try it out for once in a day. Definitely you will find out. The second benefit, energy is life. If we put blood in human dead body, and if whatever kind of things we do, but the human dead body does not have the energy, then he cannot move. That's why energy is the main part of life. And the workouts and the good diet, they automatically gives you a good energy. Friends, whether you want to believe it or not, but the way when I did not do the workout on the, I was not the kind of a person who used to do the workout, and the person who do the workout every day, both the persons are different. Many of the time we think that the workout meaning is just putting on the weight in the gym, but you are wrong. If you have an active lifestyle, it is also a workout. Just take a 20-minute of walk after your lunch. Just take a 20-minute of walk once you finish your office. If you have complaint that I don't have time, and see the changes. The third benefit which I received once I adopted a healthy lifestyle, that thing is that my self-esteem has increased tremendously. Many of the time there are many situations in life where we see downfall, then again we see upfall. But at many times we need to find out that uh, how to win your life and how to win that situation. If you're going to win the 15 minutes of workout, only 15 minutes, then definitely you are going to win your rest of the 24 hours. And I guarantee you on this. You just need to give 5 minutes in your morning so that you can put a suggestion to your mind that I'm going to make my day and I'm going to start up with the workout then you see the magic of those 5 minutes which you usually do with yourself on every morning. Still, if you are confused, still what you don't know what should I do, then just do your workout at any time. Don't think about the time, and definitely see the magic. Your self-esteem is going to improve. I do know that for the first 15 minutes you're going to feel the pain that what I'm doing, why I'm doing. But once you're going to complete now, then definitely your self-esteem will be improved. I usually ask to my clients that do you know that do you believe that if you are going to continue to your regime, if you are going to continue your journey of weight loss, then tomorrow you will get the weight loss? They usually say no. Then I say to him, I want to think about after a year how you're going to look like if you're going to continue your journey. Then they say yes, definitely we're going to lose our weight. And believe me, a person who is obese, who is overweight, and who does not have the healthy lifestyle, and a person who is fit and having a healthy lifestyle, they both are a different person. They both have a different perspective towards the life. So, friends, these are some of the 3 benefits which you can have psychologically once you adapt a healthy lifestyle. Now, if you're ready to start your regime, if you're ready to start your journey to lose your weight, to lose your fat, along with the modern technology of workouts and diets like the ketogenic diet and the intermittent fasting, and the correct way to do it, then you can message me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know you can do it. All you just need to know your fitness.